Viddyoze is a web-based video animation software. Basically, this is where you go to make really cool videos. There are different types or levels to join. There are personal, commercial. I have the template club. They have a fee, and once you register, this will be the screen that you see. In order to sign up, if you look in the description down below, I included a link with a Viddyoze promo. Just click on that, and that is how you will get started. From this page, you can see templates or tutorials. Viddyoze is really good about having tutorials. They have a university and insights. Templates is really easy. You can use the search button here and type in anything that you're looking for, or you can go through their list, which includes favorites, newest, featured, alpha. I like to use this logo a lot. It's really good for logo reveals. For example, if you put your cursor over, you will get a small preview of what it's going to look like. You can also click on customize to see it bigger and hear the sound. There are different sound options, and we'll go over that later. For these, another really cool one is the live action videos, where they have live action, usually people or something happening either with a newspaper or a coffee cup, or they have water, a girl swimming in the pool. Totally cool. This is why I love this. There's a wine bottle. This wine bottle comes up with your logo or your picture on it and pours the wine. Well, let's get into the good stuff. Let's get into making one. So let's go into some of these categories. It's in newest, but it's also in logo. This one here is pretty cool. This is what we saw in the beginning, and I'm going to show you how to make it. It's the splash logo. As you notice, if you hold your arrow, your cursor over it, it'll give you a small preview. If you like videos and you're searching through, you can also favorite them. If you click the little heart, it keeps it as your favorite. So you don't have to render a brand new video. You can go through and click the favorites and then go on your account and see which ones you like. So click customize. Super easy. You get an image, download an image, hit this plus here, go into your computer by hitting upload, and it goes to your computer. Now, you need a picture, a photo, or a PNG file with transparent background. If I click on this image here, you can see that there's a bunch of white in the background. That is not transparent. In order to be transparent, you will see the checkerboard, the gray in the background. It'll be a gray checkerboard, which this does not have. That's okay. I have a real simple solution for you. I came across this website. It's called RemoveBG. And all you do, go to the remove.bg, and as you see here, there's other things I've been working on. But if you go to RemoveBG, you can upload an image. Here's remove background, and it's 100% automatic and free, super quick. It's even faster than making videos on Viddyoze. Click upload image. Let's go to that same image, hit open. It only takes a few seconds. There's the image, and the background is now transparent. See the checkerboard, the gray checkerboard that I was talking about. Hit download so it's in your computer and go back to Viddyoze. Once back in Viddyoze, let's get rid of this logo that has a background in it and download the PNG file with transparent background. There it is there. See the difference? The white is gone and now it's gray checkerboard. Hit continue to move on to text. Now the text, if you look at this image, you're not sure where the text is, it actually shows you. It's really good to have this preview over to the side. So there's your image, will be at the top of this splash, and here is your information, your text that you want to put in. And here we're going to put for fun. Something quick and easy, and then just move on to the next one by hitting continue. Here's the fun where you get to pick colors. If you click on the colors, it'll give you different color wheels. You also have the option to type in the numbers. If you're not sure of the numbers, you can always go onto Google, type in color code for, say, neon green, which this one I believe is 39. Yep, 39 FF14. Okay, looks like a magic, but I've used this color before, as you saw in the video in the beginning. This is a neon green. Again, you can just click anywhere on the color wheel, so it's up here, or go on here. Super simple. Now the text color is white. Again, you can change the color if you want. They give you plenty of options. Hit continue to move on to the next one. Now, there's always a default video, which they give you a sample of, where you can hear, or there's additional tracks. This is new to Viddyoze, where you have the option of picking more than one audio, which is really neat. So here's the one that's in there now. And if that's not something you like, they give you a bonus. Which, that one is awesome. I like that one so much better. When you hit preview, it's not going to render to your computer. It's going to show you still frames of your video. So you can see if your image is right, if your colors look okay. So you have an option to see what it looks like before you spend the time rendering it, which again is only a few minutes to render. So there's the color. We changed the splat color from brown to this neon green. There's the white lunchbox stocks. And there's the transparent image. It's very important you have a transparent image, otherwise this would be a white block behind it. Then you simply hit create, and Viddyoze does the work for you. You wait for it to render. As you can see, it's already up at 59%. It will render, it will tell you it's done, and you can download it to your computer. I do suggest that you download to your computer eventually. They have a time limit of how long you can keep stuff on their website, because it is web or cloud-based video animation, so they do keep them. There is a time frame, but if it's something that you want to keep for a while, I do suggest downloading it to your computer. So we'll wait for this to download, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, now your video is ready for download. Let's see what it looks like. You have the option of downloading an MP4 or an animated GIF. MP4 is a video. The animated GIF is something that's emailable. You download it to your computer, you see it download here, and you click on it to open, and then it will play for you. Love it. Now you too can animate your pictures or your PNGs. Some types of memberships only allow you to render one video at a time. The Template Club is that, and that's what I have also. You can search and look around while videos are rendering before they come to download. You just cannot have two rendering at the same time, at least at the level that I'm at, which is the template level. There are higher levels that have higher fees, of which you can do that, but I have no problem waiting the couple of minutes it takes to download and render to my computer. For fun, let's look at one other one. I'm going to type in coffee right here. And like I said, you can hold your mouse over, get a preview. Let's select this one, which is coffee cup. Now this is a really short video, so this is really simple. Again, you have your video picked out, you get your image with your transparent background, which we already did on Remove BG. There's your checkerboard, is how you know that it's transparent. Continue to audio, but we will stick with the default and hit preview. Again, when you see preview, you will get still frames of your video before you take the time to render. There's the first one, and the second, and then the last. Then you just hit create, and we'll make your video. It's that easy, it's that simple. Like I said, in my template club, you can only do one at a time, but it's totally worth it to make these amazing videos that are show stopping. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. If you'd like me to show you another video or some other questions that you have about Viddyoze or Remove BG, please feel free to put in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and enjoy your video making. This one was super quick because it was only 7 or 8 seconds. Download, and I will send you off with my new coffee videos.